each one of you to this special assembly on Diwali organized by Class 7D and Class 7C.
Deepavali or Diwali is all about lights. Diwali is India's biggest and most significant festival, celebrated by Hindus, Jains, Sikhs and Buddhists. Diwali sees every household glowing under the light of lamps, candles and fireworks.
Diwali, the festival of lights, signifies the victory of knowledge over ignorance using the symbol of light. Diwali is a commemoration of the light of wisdom in our lives. Lamps are lit on this day not just to decorate homes, but also to communicate this profound truth of life. Light the lamp of wisdom and love in every house and bring a radiant smile on every face.
Every human being has some good qualities, and every lamp that you light is symbolic of this. Some people have forbearance, some have love, strength, generosity, while others even have the ability to unite people. As we celebrate Diwali here today at IEAS, let us illuminate our minds by lighting the spice lamp to symbolize the dispelling of ignorance, removal of prejudices and ill feeling towards one another. I request Father Lionel, our principal, Father Karja, our director, and our vice principal, Mr. Jijo Abraham, to please come forward and light the lamp. Friends, now we have an English song titled Go Light Your World. This song signifies the power of light, which not only guides but inspires the young and the old, the weak and the strong.
There
lights of Diwali. Historically, the origin of Diwali can be traced back to ancient India, when it was probably an important harvest festival. However, there are various legends pointing out to the origin of Diwali.
Some believe it to be the celebration of the marriage of Lakshmi with Lord Vishnu, whereas in Bengal, the festival is dedicated to the worship of Mother Kali, the dark goddess of strength. Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god, the symbol of auspiciousness and wisdom, is also worshipped in most Hindu homes on this day.
Diwali also commemorates the return of Lord Ram along with Sita and Lakshman after his 14-year-long exile and vanquishing the demon king Ravan. In joyous celebration of the return of their king, the people of Ayodhya, the capital of Rama, illuminated the kingdom with earthen diyas and burst crackers.
Of Diwali is the victory of good over evil, the innumerable lights that illuminate our homes and hearts also empowers us to commit ourselves to good deeds, that which brings us closer to divinity. Here's a skit which emphasizes the true meaning of celebration, a feeling of compassion and giving, and a genuine concern for others.
The Festival of Lights is an occasion to rejoice, to make friends, to come together and celebrate. Today we take you to a housing apartment where the children are busy making plans to celebrate Diwali. Jane, Joe and Alan meet to discuss about the Diwali celebration.
What's wrong, Joe? You're not in a Diwali mood. Anything wrong at home?
No, Jade, not in my house, but in Chinnu Auntie's house. You see, her daughter Geeta has met with an accident.
Yes, she did not come today. Why should that bother you so much, Joe? After all, we have a right to celebrate Diwali.
But Alan, I went to her house yesterday. My dad had received a call from the hospital saying that Chinnu Auntie's daughter Geeta has met with an accident. Alan, you know how dear Chinnu Auntie is to me. You know, I could not bear to hear that her son and daughter had to work in the firecracker factory to earn money. You know, the crackers burst in the poor girl's hands while she was packing it. Her hands are badly burnt.
Jonah walked in to tell his friends that there was a big crowd outside Chinu Auntie's house the previous day.
Friends, there was a big crowd outside Chinnu Auntie's house. Does anybody know what happened?
You didn't know, Jonah? There was an explosion in the firecracker factory. And Chinnu Auntie's daughter, who works there, she's badly injured.
Oh, Joe, how sad. We all know and love Chinnu Auntie. She has been working in our colony since we were toddlers. We must do something to help Chinnu Auntie and her daughter.
But what can we do? How can we help her? Let's go shop for crackers.
What, Jane? Have fun? How can we have fun when the poor girl's in the hospital, Jane?
3 cheers for the Madhya.
Don't be nasty, Jade. I think Joe's idea is a good one. After all, we are partly responsible for what happened to Geeta.
What are you saying, Alan? We? How can we be responsible to what happened to Geeta?
Yes, These children work in the firecracker factory to make crackers for Diwali.
As they were talking and discussing about Chinu auntie, two more children walked in to join them. Hi friends, happy Diwali. Did you hear about Chinu auntie?
Yes, we did, and it was very sad.
My father is just back after visiting Chinu auntie's daughter. She's in the ICU. She has suffered from 60% burns but is out of danger.
Listen friends, I have an idea. I feel that if no one brought crackers, there wouldn't be any need for cracker manufacturing factories. The question of anyone getting injured would not arise.
What, Alex? What did you just say? No, crackers? But I love crackers. How can I forget what Auntie has done for me? When my mother was sick, she stayed with me and took care of me and raised me so well.
And some days ago, when I fell while playing and injured myself, she was the first one who saw and came running to me.
Guys, can't we do something for her? Yes, I know. I will sacrifice the money I got to buy crackers this Diwali and I'll give it to Chinu auntie.
Yes, that's brilliant.
Yes, then let's bring in all our money tomorrow and give it to Chinu auntie. Auntie, how is Geeta? Is she alright, auntie?
Oh, thank you for coming. By the grace of God, she is recovering well.
Auntie, this is for you.
What? No, dear. How can I take this money from your children?
Please, take it, auntie. We want your daughter to get well soon.
Our parents are happy that we thought of this collection for you, especially when you need.
God bless all of you.
Friends, this year we have decided to celebrate Diwali differently in our society. We have decided to celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali. My friends will now give you an insight of how this is planned.
Tree plantation. This year we have organized tree plantations in our locality. This will not only help replenish the number of trees which are cut, but will also help keep a safe and green environment.
Recycle. We have decided to use crackers which are made of recycled paper which are environment friendly. They produce bright light but very little smoke.
Rethink. This year, we have organized a community celebration instead of individual celebration. This will help to cut down the cost and reduce the uses of commodities. So, let's rethink and do things differently.
A kind act. This year we have decided to donate a part of our Diwali expenditure to an NGO that looks after the welfare of children working in firecracker factories or other facilities.
So friends, have a safe and a happy Diwali.
I supported their idea to celebrate this Diwali differently.
Maya, wasn't that just unbelievable? That message has certainly left us with some deep thoughts to reflect on.
Yes, indeed. Diwali, with all its vibrance, attracts the young and the old, friends and foes to forget their differences and make a new beginning. It's a time to rejoice. So friends, please join us in this celebration through a dance performance.
खुशियों संगे रवि, हर भाए हयो आए
experience these festivities here at IEAS, presenting a Diwali Bonanza. So sit back and enjoy.
which literally illuminates the country with its brilliance and dazzles all with its joy. The true meaning of this festival is the celebration of life, its enjoyment and goodness. Let us feel each one of them and celebrate this bright festival together. Have a safe and happy Diwali.
We hope you have enjoyed the special Diwali assembly as much as we enjoyed it presenting it to you. Thank you for being a very patient audience.
We would like to thank our teachers who guided us to put up this wonderful show. Invite our director, Father Francis Karja, to come forward and say a few words.
My dear students, I want to congratulate our students of standard 7, C and D and their teachers, Miss Hemali, Mr. Sabar, Miss Mini, Miss Neha and Miss Fataya. Congratulations to the teachers and students.